Hello, this is almost a sunset in Kagashima Bay. Sakurajima volcano is working, and across this volcano grows Pittosporum shrub. It's extremely contrasting in this sunset light. Look how contrast are red seeds and blackish envelope of the fruit. I think this is a good adaptation for the distribution with birds. So birds will definitely see that contrasting colors and will try to reach, well, kind of probably for them edible seeds, but seeds are likely not edible but extremely gluish, and they will attach themselves to the beak of the bird and will be transported to the long distances. That, I think, is a way of how Pittosporum, which in a translation from Latin means resin seeds. So resin seed plant will distribute with a bit of cheating, contrasting color but inedible seeds, which will glue to the bird's beaks. Thank you very much.